When you apply watercolor over pencil marks, not only are they visible, but once the paint dries, they become permanent. In botanical illustration, we aim to avoid that and apply as little pencil as possible. So if you need to make a drawing, you want to do that on regular drawing paper, and when you're ready, you can transfer it onto watercolor paper. Today, I'd like to show you 3 ways you can do that. The first method is simply rubbing the back of your drawing with a graphite pencil. A soft one is preferable. 2B or 3B will suit best. You need to make sure you cover the entire back of your drawing. When you've finished, flip it over, place it on top of your watercolor paper and trace. I recommend taping both sheets down with a masking or washi tape to make sure they don't move. I'm not a huge fan of this method, firstly, because you end up with wide and heavy lines in your trace. If the pencil on the back of your drawing is too soft, it can smudge your watercolor paper. Similarly, if it's too faint or if you've missed some on the back of your drawing, you will not be able to see your trace very well. The second method is simply to place your drawing and the watercolor paper on a window. Again, tape both down with masking or washi tape so they don't move and trace. As you can see, you'd need a large, clear window pane for this method to work well, which I don't have. You would also only be able to do this during the day. This brings me to my favorite method of transferring drawings onto watercolor paper, using a light pad. They are inexpensive and easily available online. They come in different sizes. This one is size A4. They also have several light intensity settings. Because I can see the drawing really well and it's flat on my desk, I don't even bother taping the paper. I can go ahead and make the transfer very easily. If you have a perspex sheet or glass from an old picture frame, you can make your own light pad by placing it between 2 chairs with a light source underneath.